Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making a British cup of tea. Although this works with Lady Grey and Earl Grey, we'll be using normal black tea. In this case, lifeboat tea, because I live on the coast and the sea is a cruel mistress. We'll start by boiling the water. To make tea, you need water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do this in an electric kettle, a stovetop kettle, or a saucepan. Do not use a coffee machine or coffee maker for tea, they do not get the water hot enough. Similarly, don't use a microwave to heat water, no good can come of this and you'll upset the spirits of your ancestors. Once the kettle is boiled, pour a small amount of water into your cup and swirl for a few seconds. This will warm the cup and remove any dust, because nobody wants a dusty cup of tea. Next, add the tea bag and fill the cup with freshly boiled water, leaving space for the milk. Instead of a tea bag, you could also use an in-cup infuser if you only have loose leaf tea. And now we wait for at least 2.5 minutes. If you don't know how long that is, listen to the track Comics by Caravan Palace. Stir and give the tea bag a little squeeze, which is like a hug, but not. Then remove from cup. At this point you'll typically add milk. You can use skimmed, which is red top in Britain, or more commonly you would add semi-skimmed milk, which is green top. Do not add cream, we don't do that here. At this point you can add sugar if you're a monster. Otherwise that's it, one British cup of tea. And if you like that, definitely like, subscribe and click the little bell, because that'll give you notifications when videos go live. And I'll tell you what, I'll catch you next time.